Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time being here, thank you so much for stopping by and thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna show you how I did this shirt in Cricut Design Space. I made this template in Silhouette Studio and I decided I wanted to test out this template. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload a design into Cricut Design Space, how to cut it out, and how to brush in your stones. The stones that I use for this video, I use AB crystals and I also use topaz, and the shirt that I'm wearing, the color is maroon or what I call burgundy. So if that is something you're interested in, please do continue watching. We're in Cricut Design Space. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to get the SVG file that we're gonna use. I'm gonna go here where it says upload it a long time ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and just click on it and add it to my canvas. When it comes in, it might not come in the size that you originally made it. This is quite normal. All you have to do is just to resize it to the correct size. So here it came in as 8.289. I'm looking here where this little lock is, the width is, but the correct width is actually 11.228. So with the lock still closed, I'm going to put 11.228. I'm going to press enter. The height will automatically change to the correct thing, which is 11.170. This is 11.69, which is not a big deal. You'll also know that there are two layers. If you look over the layers panel, you see two layers. You see one for the blue and one for the black. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit make it. So when I hit make it, it's going to sort it in two mats. So this is the black mat and this is the blue mat. What you're going to do is you're going to hit continue. You're not going to mirror your image. You don't need to. So what you'll need to do, ensure that your dial, if you're using a Cricut Explorer Air 2 like me, is set to custom. So what this is doing is that it's searching for my device. So now they're going to ask you to set base material. I'm going to go to browse all material and I'm going to search for the setting that I use, which is one that I created myself. You could use the heavy cardstock. I've heard persons have success using the heavy cardstock, but it also depends on um, how new your blade is. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut this out and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay guys, we are ready to test out this template. I went ahead and I cut it out. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a chopping mat and I'm gonna put it on it so that I could brush the stones in. For this project, you're gonna need a lint roll. You're gonna need the shirt that you're gonna put it on. Today I'm using this large gilden heavy cotton shirt and this is maroon. I'm also going to, the stones that I'm gonna use, I'm going to use crystal AB and topaz. So let's get started. So this is a Dollar Tree chopping mat. So what I did after I cut it out, I just put it back on the backing that it comes with. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to put it on this chopping mat. You're also going to need an edge brush and a KTM transfer sheet mask. Okay, so let's get started. So this part I'm gonna use Crystal AB. So all you're gonna do, dump the stones on the template. You're just going to brush them in a circular motion. Then you're gonna take your wax pencil and put stones where they did not go in. What I like to do is go down to eye level and look to see if there's stones on top of each other. So I see it looks good. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take a transfer tape So you're gonna take your transfer tape and you're gonna fold it in a V shape. You're just gonna let it down. Okay, this take your time to take them off. See, there's a stone that didn't stick. You have to go back and take it in. And put it on top of it.
Mommy.
Okay, so that's done. We're gonna do the other one. So my heat press is ready. I put it to 350 degrees for 30 seconds. This is the shirt that I'm gonna use. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take and I am going to lint roll my shirt. I'm gonna lint roll my shirt. Okay guys, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to lint roll the shirt. I'm still kind of getting used to this heat press. I'm used to my small heat press. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a pre-press. Okay? I'm gonna put it in. Okay, then I'm gonna find the middle. This design is sort of tricky because it's gonna stay somewhat like this, like this. It's gonna stay like this. So the first one you'll have to put down is this one at the top right here. This is the first one you'll have to put down, and then you put this one down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this layer first. And what I'm going to try and do is to find where the middle is. Now I'm doing this with the back on it. So don't do it if you don't have the backing on it, or else it will mess up everything. So I know the C's will have, the words will have to go together, so I'm sort of finding where the middle is, which is somewhere around here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off. Careful now. Careful, don't let it fold. See that? And I'm going to sort of match up the middle, okay, which is somewhere around here. And I'm gonna take it up somewhere up here. Okay, this looks okay. This one looks okay. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to press this for about 15 seconds. Bring this up a little bit more. And I'm gonna press this for 15 seconds. Okay, so let's see. Okay, not bad. I'm taking my time because I'm not sure if they stick properly. Okay. You could save the transfer tape, so put this back on. Now this one is gonna be easy now to do because the first layer is already done. Whoa. Okay. Okay. So let me pull the shirt over a bit. I'm still getting used to this heat press. Still not used to it at all. Still not used to it, but I'll get used to it. Okay. So I'm gonna take this one, and I know that bling goes right here. This looks good. Okay. This looks good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna put a Teflon sheet over. Okay. Wow. Yes. It looks good. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the Teflon sheet over again just to ensure that the stones are, and just give it for another 10 seconds or so. Wow. Look at that, guys. Guys, look at that. This is the result. Okay guys, so this is the result of the shirt that we have just made. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.